Hi guys, Carol here, creating wire flowers. Okay, let's do this. So I took 6 feet of wire. 4 feet of it is hot pink wire and 2 feet of it is gold wire using a 22 gauge wire. I made my loops. Now I'm separating my loops. Pink on each side and then gold in the middle. Continue this down. With the 6 feet of wire that I used, I can get 10 flowers. Now let's get started on the center of the flower. Using my needle nose pliers, I'm going to take the very tip of the needle nose, put it onto the gold wire and twist it all the way down into the center of the flower, nice and tight. This one I need to pinch a little just to get it a little bit smaller. Tip of the needle nose pliers, twisting it around towards the center of the flower, nice and tight. There you go. On the time lapse now, just continue to do those centers of the flower. Okay, now that the centers are done, the hardest part on making the flower part are the petals. The petals have to be pushed into the center. So what I am doing is taking my needle nose pliers, gripping the center of the circle on the outside and pushing it in towards the petal, the center of the flower. Let me say that again. I'm taking the needle nose pliers, pinching it in towards the center of the flower, and then going in between the loops that I made and crimping them to make the 2 petals. One more time, crimping the wire in towards the center of the flower and then pushing the tiny little loops I made to make the petals. Okay, back on time lapse just to get through this. Do it nice and slow, take your time. They are beautiful flowers to make. I hope you're enjoying this video. I thought it was kind of fun. Enjoy your day.